Hello guys, welcome to Meka School. Today we are going to solve a very interesting questions and which is very important for different Olympiad and university entrance exam. The question is if a and v are positive integer and a plus ab plus v equals 76, then a plus v equal what? First of all, we should take the given equation. The given equation is now from that two term we can take a as a common. So a here remain only 1 plus here remain v plus v equal 76. Now if we add 1 in both sides, then we will get 1 plus v plus v plus 1. So what we did in that equation, we add 1 in both sides. Okay, so what do you get? We can write b plus 1 plus, from that we can write b plus 1 equal 77. From that two term we can take b plus 1 as a common term. Here v plus 1, from that whole term here remain only a plus here remain only 1 equal 77. Now we can write v plus 1 a plus 1 equal 77. Here now here b plus 1 and a plus 1 is two factor. There two factor, and 77 is the value of that equation. So first of all we should think about what is given. Here given a and v are positive integer. So if a and b positive integer, then a should be greater than or equal 1, and similarly v is greater than or equal 1. Okay, is it clear? Okay, take another example. If a is greater than or equal 1, so a plus 1, a plus 1, so a is greater than or equal 1, that means 1 plus 1 greater than or equal 2. Clear? Value of a is greater than or equal 1 and plus 1 is plus 1, so 1 plus 1 greater than or equal 2. So we should find out the factor of 77 now. 77 factors are 1 into 77, or we can write 77 into 1, or we can write 7 into 11, or we can write 11 into 7. These are the factors of 77. Okay, so b plus 1 into a plus 1. First of all, we should take 1 into 77. 1 into 77. From that equation, we can write b plus 1 equal 1, b plus 1 equal 1, and we can write a plus 1 equal 77. A plus 1 equal 77. Here, if we add minus 1 in both sides, then we can get v equals 0 and a equal 78. So it is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because we know that v is greater than or equal 1, because b is positive integer here. So this answer is not possible. Similarly, this factor is not possible, because if we take 77 multiply 1, then we could find a equals 0. So this is also not possible. Now we should take 7 into 11. Okay, now v plus 1, v plus 1 times a plus 1 equal 7 into 11. 7 into 11. Here we could get b plus 1 equal 7 and a plus 1 equal 11. Here, okay. So if we add 1 in both sides, then we could get b equal 6. And here we get a equal 10. So v equals 6 and a equal 10. It is possible because we know that a is greater than or equal 1 and v is greater than or equal 1. So v equals 6 is obviously greater than or equal 1 and a equal 10 is obviously greater than or equal 1. We have to evaluate the value of a plus v. If we just add two terms, so just add two terms, a plus v equal 10 plus 6 equal 16. So this is our answer. If you take 11 into 7, similarly you will get a plus v equal 16. So this is our desired answer. For getting new videos like that math problem, you can subscribe our Meka School.